Our annual conference and educational events are largely based on content submissions from thought leaders like you. Think about what types of presentations and speakers you'd find beneficial, then coordinate a few details that are needed to submit your proposal. Just follow these 5 easy steps. Step 1. Select a topic. IASA seeks relevant, timely, and creative presentations that cover topics in insurance such as accounting and finance, enterprise risk management, technology, executive education, and professional development. Think about new and trending topics or a new perspective on a timeless topic. Choose a topic that inspires you. Step 2. Identify format and speakers. Will this be a single speaker presentation, a panel, or a workshop? IASA is seeking presenters with diverse perspectives and experiences. It's important to note that you must identify and confirm at least one speaker to submit your proposal. Step 3. Develop learning objectives. Think about what leaders should be able to do after this session. List out 3 learning objectives using verbs such as define, determine, differentiate, identify, and recognize. Step 4. Provide detail. Who is your ideal audience? How will you engage them? Our committees review hundreds of proposals every year, so don't leave questions unanswered. The more detail you can provide, the better. Step 5. Start now. It takes time to collect your thoughts and confirm speakers, so start now to ensure you meet the deadline with complete information. Thank you for contributing to the quality of content provided at IASA events. To get started, visit iasa.org/proposal.